Hey guys, and welcome to episode number 45 of CRO Insights. And in this episode, our client sells these awesome looking sneakers online, and they hired us to turn more clicks into customers on their store. This one's short and sweet, but some real key takeaways on how you can optimize your homepage to demand higher conversion rates. Okay, so point number one, we reorganized the navigation and toolbar. As you can see, we just made it a lot more visual, more user-friendly, and we introduced our famous trust policy bar, which gives us a great bit of real estate on the page to showcase things like worldwide shipping, money-back guarantees, satisfaction guarantees, and basically things that just make people trust us as a company. Two, we optimized the product image, just a small one here. We reordered things, we made the actual sneaker image bigger and just put more emphasis on the product itself. It's such a strikingly brilliant product. It's very visual, so we made sure we enhanced that image. Number three, we added some much needed social proof. As you can see on the before, the homepage was very blank, big white spaces, no real conversion principles. So by adding some social proof, you just make people FOMO into the product because they see that other people have used and rated the product, therefore they desire using the product themselves. Number four, very similar to the image, we basically just enhanced the headline. These guys had it before, but as you can see, they used very small font sizes and didn't really emphasize the power of the headline. We've made it shorter, snappier, bigger, probably the first thing that people read, and people can really relate to that value. Number five, we've improved the call to action, a big upgrade here. Have a look at the before. Can you even see the call to action? No, a big rule of thumb is on mobile, make sure your buttons are full width, make sure they stand out against your brand colors. Therefore, we've inversed the colors, made it white against the yellow. We've added a clever little drop shadow to really accentuate the call to action. We've used the term shop bestsellers because all we're trying to do is get them to the collection page, and we've used a directional cue, I bet you look that way, to basically showcase people where they're going next. And number six, we've used as seen on icons. These guys are brilliant with PR. They've been featured and focused in a lot of press. So why not leverage that authority of the press websites themselves, showcase them on your site as seen on, as recommended by, as trusted by, it doesn't matter. Show it off, and therefore you then have the trust yourself. The next thing you need to do is check out more of these CRO breakdowns on our YouTube channel, and also visit ConversionWise.com if you'd like us to redesign your pages for higher conversion rates. And I'll see you in the next episode.